Hey guys, this is unboxing video of the OnePlus Watch. So it comes nicely packed, bubble wrapped, and look at that. Doesn't that look sleek? It's a nice box. So I've opened it. Comes in a very nice casing. They've taken a lot of detail to wrap it. So he's got two buttons. So his home button and multifunction button. So I like the strap. It's quite nicely strapped. So I managed to get the plastic out, and it's got a magnetic bit here where you can put the charger. So let's see what else comes in the box. So that's just a strapping. So here we go. So that's all the paperwork and a quick start guide. And then over here we have the charger. Quite nicely packed. So we have the USB cable. It's got, I'm assuming it's a, so the charging is via C cable. So this can be used for charging your phone as well, I suppose. And this bit is where this goes, and the battery can be charged with the magnetic bit here. Oops, quite tangly. So magnet gets stuck here, and now we can plug this in USB.